What's up? John Gamboa here. I'm your content creator po dyan, GTV. So, di mapapanood yan about sa previous vlog ko o nung nakaraan vlog ko kasi dahil naka-double digit pa ako lagi, no? Mga 10 views pataas. Pakilagay ko yung sa link sa description kung gusto nyo manood ulit, no? Lalo po dito sa Philippines, dito sa other countries, sa Greece, US, mga future manood sa akin dun sa South Korea, Japan, ganun, sa Asia. Gusto mo yung manood ulit, lalagyan ko yung link sa description. Yan. So, next natin, yung review for today, yung i-review natin yung SSD, which is yung WD or Western Digital na PCIe Gen 3 and Gen 4. Yung sa pinakamabilis na storage dyan. Yung boot times, video editing, rendering, games. Then yung sa Turbo M.2 naman, which is yung Pen or Gen 3 x 4 interface. Diba, no? Gagamitin ko yun sa next month o kaya sa May pa, no? So, sama muna ako dito sa kwarto ko, which is yung FreeCam. FreeCam, let's go for my reviewing SSDs. Okay, this is our first review about Gen 3 x 4 interface. It's called WD Blue SN550. Example capacity is 500GB Gen 3 x 4 interface. What are the features, the specifications of 500GB? Together with PCIe Gen 3 x 4 interface with the sequential read performance of 2400 megabits per second and the sequential write performance of 1750 megabits per second. Gen 3 x 4 interface, or also known today as Turbo M.2, which is supports the using the games, applications, and anything renderings and the video editings using the Turbo M.2s. Okay, so next for the last review for today is SN750 SE NVMe. The capacity example is also has a 500GB. The Gen 4 interface. What are the features? Because Gen 4 interface, connector of M.2 with the sequential read of 3600 megabits per second and the sequential write performance of 2000 megabits per second. Gen 4 interfaces can be using the boot times, application softwares, renderings, and the faster in just minutes for the video editing. So both Gen 3 and Gen 4 interface have 5-year warranty. If you buy it, the both Gen 3 and Gen 4 SSDs, it comes with 5 years warranty. Example, buying in 2022 and get warranty of the year 2027 because of 5 years warranty. After warranties of 5 years, it is also using again, it offers 6 years and also up to 10 years using the SSDs. Okay? So thank you for our review for today. Shout out to WD or Western Digital for our reviews about Gen 3 and Gen 4 interface. So tapos na ako mag-review dyan about sa SSDs Gen 3 and Gen 4 support from WD Blue. And yun yung WD Black na Gen 4, no? So sa Gen 3 kasi pwede po siya maglagay ng games, yung files, application, yung mabilis. Then yung sa boot times kung pwede, no? Sa Gen 4 kasi, ang masabi ko sa Gen 4 is pwede po siya sa video editing, rendering, heavy applications tulad ng sa AutoCAD, Autodesk. Susuportan po siya sa Gen 4 interface. Product focus on productivity, video editing, rendering. Yun, ramdam na ramdam ka kung mabilis daw yun sa SSD mo, no? Mag NVMe kayo, either Gen 3 or Gen 4. Ako is parehas lang. May nakita po sa motherboard na sa M.2 na Turbo M.2 which Gen 3 x 4 yun, no? Makikita dyan sa motherboard na manufacturer, no? So paano yan? Follow nyo ko sa lahat ng social media accounts. Lalo na sa Lyka, konting kembot na lang 400 na, 300, 370. Yan. I'm John Gamboa for my content creator for John GTV. See you on my next video. Bye-bye. Bago tayo magbabay, huge shoutout po muna from WD or Western Digital for our review for today for Gen 3 and Gen 4 interface. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.